You saying there's a hidden message in that book?
I can't wait.
Who's sending the message?
We may be seeing the beginnings of something special.
I changed the music. We are terrified.
Let's get our praise on.
You seem to have won the first battle.
I won't be put in a cage.
I intend to win the war.
Julia is going to take WTBH behind the scenes into the White House kitchen.
Who speaks for you says everything. Together, we can take this shit to the next level.
You're making a big mistake here.
Who's ready for Rick's famous spaghetti?
如果人生有重来一次的机会，你会做出改变吗？
这不是2年前发生的事情吗？
I think I found a way home.
Dream's collapsing.
I hate to see out of control.
It's gonna take a miracle to get them out.
You have 72 hours.
Players, are you ready?